Today, groups challenging the Texas Ten Commandments law are vowing to keep fighting all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
A federal appeals court ruled yesterday that Texas can force schools to display donated posters of the Ten Commandments in classrooms. Our Adam Bennett is live in studio. And Adam, we know 3 Central Texas school districts were named in this lawsuit.
That's right, Mark. Austin, Lake Travis, and Dripping Springs ISDs were among the 11 school districts statewide sued by 16 families. Well, now both sides said today they are ready, if needed, to take this case to the country's highest court. Outside of this Round Rock ISD campus on Wednesday morning,
today is a great day for the First Amendment because
the head of one group supporting Senate Bill 10 in court,
this is what the law says the poster needs to look like,
said these donated displays of the Ten Commandments should once again go up in Texas classrooms.
The Federal Court of Appeals has made it clear the Texas Ten Commandments law is constitutional.
A day earlier, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals rejected plaintiffs' arguments that the 2025 law violates the free exercise and establishment clauses of the First Amendment. Round Rock ISD was one district refusing to put up the posters while awaiting judicial guidance.
We are ready to see the district dust off the safely stored posters and finally and lawfully display the Ten Commandments in each classroom.
On the other side is Rachel Lazar.
And so when they say that there's no coercion because these are just posters on the wall, they're really out of touch.
She leads Americans United for Separation of Church and State. They're one of the groups representing the plaintiffs. She spoke with me Wednesday from Washington, D.C.
And what our plaintiffs are interested in doing is ensuring that we're united and that we're not divided in our classrooms with some students feeling like they're lesser than others.
Lazar says the path forward is up to the plaintiffs.
It looks like the plaintiffs are going to want to petition the Supreme Court.
As both sides
we'll be at the U.S. Supreme Court if we need to defend this law.
Wait for word on what happens next.
And we reached out to Round Rock, Leander, and the 3 Central Texas school districts named in this lawsuit. We're either still waiting to hear back from them on whether they will now put up the Ten Commandment posters, or they say they don't have a statement at this time. And the plaintiffs were unavailable for interviews today. There are also other lawsuits challenging this law.